There are a lot of features to discover in your MEATER app. Today, we're going to look at setting up custom alerts. When cooking with MEATER, you'll receive some alerts by default, such as when to remove from heat and when you have 5 minutes left on your cook. On top of these pre-configured alerts, you can add up to 4 custom alerts of your choice. These can relate to temperature, such as alert me when my ambient temperature drops below 300 degrees Fahrenheit or 150 degrees Celsius. This is very useful when cooking on a log burner or a pellet grill, anything where your heat source might need maintaining. You may also want to set a reminder to add your potatoes or spritz your pork shoulder 40 minutes into the cook. You can do this with our elapsed time alert. You can set up alerts before configuring your cook or any time after. Just click on your alert icon here to access your alerts. There are alerts for your internal and ambient sensor, as well as the elapsed time and remaining time based off of our estimator. When these alerts trigger, you'll get a notification on your app, or a standard notification to your phone.